I'm Ryan Dawson. I'm here at the MOOG Engineering Center with James Elterman, Product Innovation Manager for MOOG Steering and Suspension Parts. James, I see you have a ball joint there.
Yes, Ryan. This is the MOOG K7467 ball joint for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500, model years 2003 through 2011. And it's a MOOG problem solver.
Okay, so if I need to replace a ball joint on a Dodge Ram, why do I choose MOOG?
Well, one of the first reasons is MOOG is the only one to have an all-metal socket design. You'll see inside of our housing is our exclusive gusher bearing technology. That gusher bearing works like a sponge to soak up lubrication. It keeps this bearing surface lubricated and continually flushes contamination away from that bearing surface. What you'll find in other suppliers' parts, instead of a metal, they'll use a plastic bearing.
So MOOG's all-metal design is more durable?
Absolutely. Plus, inside the MOOG part, you'll find a Belleville washer. This Belleville washer compensates for the effects of wear in the socket, maintaining a very durable and long-lasting socket.
How does it do that?
Well, this Belleville washer actually acts like a spring. It can exert over 100 pounds of force. It keeps pressure on the bearings to keep everything tight in the socket, to reduce impacting and maintain a long life for the bearing surfaces.
Being greasable or serviceable helps the part last longer, right?
Yes, absolutely. And MOOG is the only one that has this side-mounted Zerk fitting. This side-mounted Zerk fitting is really easy for technicians to access when they're servicing the part. You won't find that on other suppliers' parts. In fact, on this one that I have here, you'll see that it has a Zerk fitting right in the middle of the housing. This is problematic because this grease fitting would be knocked off by the axle, so it has to be removed every time the part is serviced.
Where does all the old grease go?
Good question. You'll notice on the MOOG part, the MOOG dust boot has a grease relief valve that directs the old grease and contaminants away from brake components when the part is serviced.
So it's engineered to be durable and easy to service, exactly what you would want for a truck.
Exactly. That's why MOOG is the #1 choice of technicians.
Thanks, James.
You're welcome, Ryan.